trips are the best. Non-stop fun.
Unless you happen to sit in a patch of poison ivy and get sent home early, like you did last year.
Come on, everyone. Start pitching your tents.
Or unless your mother volunteers to come along.
Oh, having your mother along won't be so bad, Mona. At least she's come better prepared than Miss Gotto.
Oh, dear. Just look at my new shoes.
Besides, you won't have time to worry about your mom. Not with all the creepy forest monsters we'll have to battle.
Watch your step, for the footing is treacherous.
Whoa!
What do you think he meant by that?
He's speaking in metaphors. When he says watch your step, what he's really saying is think carefully before you make a decision. And when he says the footing is treacherous, he's really saying an evil presence lurks in this forest. He must be a wise man.
Not a wise man.
Yow! Ah!
Just a guy with common sense. It rained last night, so the ground is slippery. Watch your footing.
Say, would you happen to know if there are any creepy forest crawlers, or ghosties, or wood spooks in the area?
Well, there is the Wendigo.
Huh?
Wendigo?
The spirit of the forest. The protector of this natural habitat.
Is it evil?
No, no. It just wreaks vengeance on those who would despoil the beauty of nature.
Having trouble with your tent, Angela? Trouble? No trouble at all. All done. Miss Gotto?
Mona, did you put on your insect repellent?
Aw, Mom. How do you expect me to catch some of those giant blood-sucking black flies if I can't get them to come to me?
Let's go, sweetheart. George, what is that?
It's a blunderbuss. My granddad gave it to me because it's dangerous in the forest.
George, it isn't, and you're not.
Ow!
Wow! Look at this, everybody! Look what I found!
Wow, that's nice. What is it?
Ancient native artwork.
And it's mine. I found it.
Let's go home.